Entertainment and Hobbies. Welcome to Fluent Ease English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about entertainment and hobbies. After this lesson, you will be able to ask about hobbies. What do you like to do? Share your favorites. I like listening to music. I love watching movies. Talk about sports. Do you play sports? I play football. Express enjoyment. I enjoy reading. That's fun. Express boredom. I'm bored. Let's do something. Make plans. Let's go shopping. Let's take a photo. Let's get started. Mini story. Weekend fun with friends. It is Saturday morning. Anna and her friend David are talking. Anna asks, "What do you like to do in your free time?" David says, "I like listening to music at night. Music helps me relax." Anna smiles. "I love watching movies. I love action movies." David asks, "Do you play any sports?" Anna says, "Yes, I play football on Sundays. It's my favorite sport." David replies, "That's fun. I sometimes play tennis." Anna says, "I enjoy reading before bed. Books give me new ideas." David agrees. "Yes, reading is great." After a while, Anna says, "I'm bored. Let's do something." David suggests, "Let's go shopping this weekend." Anna laughs. "Shopping? Okay, that's fun too." In the afternoon, they walk to the mall. They buy some clothes, eat ice cream, and talk. Anna says, "Let's take a photo together." David says, "Great idea." They smile, take a photo, and enjoy their weekend. Now it's time for the mini story Q&A. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It is Saturday morning. Anna and her friend David are talking. Who is talking on Saturday morning? Anna and David. Is it Saturday morning or Monday night? Saturday morning. What are they doing? They are talking. Anna asks, "What do you like to do in your free time?" What does Anna ask? What do you like to do in your free time? Does she ask about free time or work time? Free time. Who asks about free time? Anna. David says, "I like listening to music at night." What does David like to do? Listen to music. Does David listen to music at night or in the morning? At night. Who likes listening to music? David. Anna says, "I love watching movies. I love action movies." What does Anna love? Watching movies. Does Anna love watching action movies or horror movies? Action movies. Who loves watching action movies? Anna. David asks, "Do you play any sports?" What does David ask? Do you play any sports? Does he ask about sports or music? Sports. Who asks about sports? David. Anna says, "I play football on Sundays." What sport does Anna play? Football. Does she play football on Sundays or Fridays? On Sundays. Who plays football? Anna. David replies, "That's fun. I sometimes play tennis." What does David say? That's fun. Does David play tennis or football? Tennis. Who sometimes plays tennis? David. Anna says, "I enjoy reading before bed." What does Anna enjoy? Reading. Does Anna enjoy reading before bed or before lunch? Before bed. Who enjoys reading before bed? Anna. Anna says, "I'm bored. Let's do something." How does Anna feel? Bored? Does Anna want to do nothing or something? Something. Who feels bored? Anna. David suggests, let's go shopping this weekend. What does David suggest? Let's go shopping. Does David want to go shopping or to the cinema? Shopping. Who suggests shopping? David. Anna says, let's take a photo together. What does Anna want to do? Take a photo? Does Anna want to take a photo alone or together? Together. Who wants to take a photo? Anna. Great job. You've just finished today's lesson about entertainment and hobbies. Now you can talk about hobbies, sports, fun activities, and even make plans with friends in English. Keep practicing every day until these phrases become automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Ease English for more daily practice. See you in the next lesson. That's fun. Talk to you soon.